As the clock strikes midnight, the new year beckons with a fresh start and a reason to celebrate. But after the holiday splurge, your wallet might be begging for a break. Fear not. You can still usher in the new year with joy and creativity, without the financial hangover. Imagine a table brimming with a smorgasbord of homemade delights, each dish brought by a friend or family member. Hosting a potluck gathering is not just about sharing the cost, but also about enjoying a tapestry of flavors and the company of loved ones. Why buy when you can DIY? Unleash your inner artist with paper, string, and upcycled treasures to craft a festive atmosphere. Homemade banners and centerpieces add a unique charm to your celebration and keep your budget intact. Laughter and friendly rivalry can fill your home without spending a dime. A game night with loved ones brings out the joy of play. From board games to charades, let the good times roll as the old year ends and the new one begins. A movie marathon is your ticket to a cozy and entertaining countdown. Snuggle up with your favorite films, some homemade popcorn, and the warmth of good company as you wait for the clock to strike 12. If you're venturing out, a bring-your-own-beverage event can be both chic and economical. Share the joy of toasting to the new year with a variety of drinks, each contributed by a guest. Greet the first day of the year with nature's splendor. A walk or hike in a local park is not only free, but also a breath of fresh air to start the year with vigor and vitality. Revamp your wardrobe without spending a cent by hosting a clothing swap. It's a fun, sustainable way to exchange fashion finds and cherish the joy of new-to-you treasures. Set the stage for the year ahead with a vision board party. Gather magazines, scissors, and glue, and let the dreams for your future take a visual form. It's a powerful way to manifest your aspirations and share them with friends. Find a scenic spot to watch the fireworks light up the sky. A picnic under the stars is a magical and cost-free way to marvel at the New Year's spectacle. End the evening with heartfelt conversations, reflecting on the year gone by and setting intentions for the one to come. This moment of connection is priceless and paves the way for a year filled with hope and purpose. Celebrating on a budget means making memories that are rich in meaning, not in expense. As you embrace these frugal yet festive ideas, may your new year be as bright as the fireworks and as warm as the company you keep.